Hi everyone, hello from Japan. I'm the indie developer Sora. So in my mind, Sora is a futuristic SNS client. Some people say Sora is great because it supports Mastodon, Misty, Blue Sky all in one. While others say it's great because they're interested in cats, and the second day they download it, well, Sora becomes full of cat pictures. So let's explore the uniqueness of Sora together. So as you can see on my screen here, this is my iPhone. So the timeline is not an ordinary timeline. It's called the For You timeline. So what this means is, well, if we keep scrolling here, as these are my Euro posts, as you see here, these posts are marked as predicted. So what this means is that based on a local machine learning algorithm, we are actually inserting this post into the user's timeline based on the user's interests. So you might wonder, like, how does this software know what you're interested in? And all this process runs locally. So if we go to here, there's a special tab called My Interests. So as you can see here, it groups all my interests based on the similar meanings between words. For example, in the first category, we got photography, we got birds, we got photography, we got nature photography. So these are all the the keywords you expect for a photography category, for photography posts. And then the second one basically contains the Japanese word for the photography, and the third one contains Japanese sea life, as you can see, because Japan is near the sea, so a lot of sea life pictures and posts to see. So, and it also sets a score of predicted score of how much I'm gonna like the post. So, for example, I like the photography post a lot, so it says it's on the top highly likely category. So basically, if a user likes the post, repost, follow someone, Sora is going to use natural language analysis on the device to extract information from the post, and then it has a local weight file similar to a machine learning model, and it stores all this interest, and then basically it ranks the posts that's coming in and inserts them into the user's home timeline. So I'm just going to show you one more interesting feature. So if you click on this predicted, you can actually dislike this post. So this acts as a negative feedback loop for the machine learning model. So as you can see here, I can select which aspect of this post I didn't like, including this post is NSFW, but not marked as. So if you select this one, it will run the local machine learning model to detect NSFW for this person in the future. So this is the prediction feature. The second one I want to show is the discovery feature. So this one basically fetches information from across the Fediverse, not only on your own instance. So you got the trending links across the Fediverse. I got the NASA pictures, very beautiful here. You got the recommended accounts, you got the bookmarks, and you got all your follow tags right here. So you can just scroll through it to easily browse them. Now I want to show another feature. So leveraging the AI, we are able to, so there are so many replies to this post, but if I click this button here, request AI replies summary, you will be able to get a summary of all the replies. So, you can just check out the summary. So instead of reading all of them. And one more interesting feature I want to show is, for example, if I click into this spring, cherry blossom picture here, if you scroll to the bottom, there's a section called similar to this post. So what this does is, using on-device machine learning, it tries to see which other keywords are related to this current post. For example, it got cherry blossom and features all these cherry blossom pictures, even for these, outside of Japan. So because it predicts that the post is talking about cherry blossom, so it features, other cherry blossom pictures. The next thing I want to show is the list feature. So you are able to use lists within the Sora app. So it includes bookmark folders. So this is compatible for Mastodon, Misty, and Blue Sky. So you can also use bookmark folders on Blue Sky, even though it is stored locally on the device. So you've got a follow tag. I can also do like a smart list. So for smart list, you can define your query, conditions. So for example, I want to search for Apple for everything Apple does and not including the thing Apple doesn't do. So that's a list feature. Well, did you find it interesting? So, you can give it a try. So basically, sorry, let me just put my screen here. So basically, Sora is unique because it has a local ML. It uses the neural engine on the iPhone. It builds an interest profile on the device. It has a feedback loop, positive and negative. You can create multiple lists. You can, reply summary, and you can also see posts similar to the current one. And all the AI process runs, most of them runs locally, and then it respects like no AI tag, and it only analyzes public data. So please do try it out. Thank you.